Good morning, children. So yesterday we learned about motion. We saw types of various types of motion and its examples. Today we are going to solve the exercise. Okay, revise once again all the exercise. Already we have written question answers of this lesson. So let's revise the exercise. Now your first question is identify the types of motion. Okay, question is given. Movement of the earth around the sun. Movement of the earth around the sun is dash. So it is in periodic motion. Answer is periodic motion. Then B, movement of ceiling fan. Movement of ceiling fan is in circular motion. Then C, a rocket launched from the ground, that is linear motion, means straight. Rocket जैसे straight जाता है सीधा ऊपर जाता है, so it is linear motion. Then E, a fish swimming in water, that is in random motion. F, the plucked string of a sitar, that oscillatory motion. Okay, oscillations occur. Then next question, fill in the blanks. If a ball is released from the terrace of a building, it comes down in uniform linear motion. On the other hand, it reaches the ground in non-uniform linear motion if it is thrown with force away from the terrace in the direction parallel to the terrace. Okay, in first fill up it is in uniform linear motion, in second fill up non-uniform linear motion. Okay, then B, the motion of an aeroplane on the runway before takeoff is linear motion. Again, I am repeating the same question. The motion of an aeroplane on the runway before takeoff is linear motion. Then C, the kite looking for its prey flies with dash motion in the sky. See, the kite looking for its prey flies with circular motion in the sky. Then D, children sitting in a rotating giant wheel. Children sitting in a rotating giant wheel have uniform circular motion, while those sitting in a merry-go-round have non-uniform circular motion. Okay. Next question, how are we different? So difference between, so in another way it is asked, how are we different? Oscillatory motion and linear motion. So let's see the difference between oscillatory motion and linear motion. So first, oscillatory motion. In oscillatory motion, body swing back and fro. Then in linear motion, an object shows displacement in a straight line. Okay, so example of oscillatory motion is motion of a swing, motion of a pendulum, of a clock. Then example of linear motion, a train in a motion, motion of a marching soldiers. Okay, you can give another examples also. You can write another examples also in the exam. Then question number B, difference between linear motion and random motion. Okay, so linear motion, motion in a straight line is called linear motion. Example of linear motion is motion of a train or motion of a moving car on a road. So that comes in a linear motion. Then random motion, the motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. Again, I am repeating, the motion of that changes its direction and the speed continuously is called random motion. Example of random motion is motion of a bird or chasing a butterfly in the garden. Okay, so moving of honeybees in a garden. These are the various examples of random motion. Okay, then see difference between random motion and oscillatory motion. Random motion, the motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. So motion of a butterfly, then moving of a football on a playground. These are the examples of random motion. Then oscillatory motion, the motion of a body that is swinging back and forth is called oscillatory motion. Pendulum of a clock is an example of oscillatory motion. A wing of a bird is an example of oscillatory motion. Okay, children. So next is explain in your own words, giving one example each. So this is the question number 4. So sometime ask in exam, write a short note on or write a definition of linear motion, oscillatory motion, circular motion, random motion and periodic motion. So in that you have to write its definition. So see here, first one is linear motion. An object that shows displacement along a straight line, that is called linear motion. A vehicle moving on a road is an example of linear motion. ठीक है, ये डिफरेंस में भी आप एक ही क्वेश्चन लर्न कर सकते हो, इसका डिफरेंस भी आप लिख सकते हो और write a short note on. Also you can write, but don't forget to write example, to give example. Okay, then circular motion. सर्कुलर मोशन में क्या होगा? द मोशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट अलोंग अ सर्कुलर पाथ इज कॉल्ड सर्कुलर मोशन. सो एग्जांपल है मोशन ऑफ ए सीलिंग फैन. देन ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. ऑसिलेटरी मोशन क्या होगा? द मोशन ऑफ अ बॉडी स्विंगिंग बैक एंड फोर्थ इज कॉल्ड ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. Motion of a pendulum of a clock is the example of oscillatory motion. Then random motion. So random motion means the motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. Example is motion of a butterfly. Then next is periodic motion. Periodic motion means the repetitive motion in which the moving object passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period is called periodic motion. Okay, the repetitive motion in which the moving object passes through a certain point again and again, that is in a fixed point, is called periodic motion. So example is minute hand of a clock is an example of periodic motion. Also, you can write the movement of the earth, revolution of the earth, rotation of the earth. That is also example of periodic motion. Okay, children. Then next question, answer the question number 5. Answer the following questions in your own words. Okay. So write a question. Which type of motion are seen in birds flying in the sky? Which type of motion are seen in birds flying in the sky? So the answer is the birds flying in the sky exhibit random motion. Okay? The birds flying in the sky exhibit random motion. Means कैसे भी घूमते ना birds पूरे. The wings of a bird show oscillatory motion and the wings movement is like that. Okay, so that moves in a oscillatory motion, up and down the wings moves of bird. Okay, that is in a oscillatory motion. Okay, then next question is B. Write in detail about your experience of various types of motion while riding a bicycle on the road. So you observe it. Okay, so which type of motions? So first answer is the cycle itself show linear motion. साइकिल कौन से मोशन में जाती है? वो सीधी स्ट्रेट जाती है रोड से, है ना. सो इट शोज फर्स्ट इज ना linear motion. Then the wheels of a cycle show circular motion. जो साइकिल के wheels होते हैं वो गोल गोल घूमते हैं ना. So the wheels of a cycle show circular motion. Then the cycle chain shows periodic motion. साइकिल की चेन है वो भी घूमती है पूरे वैसे के वैसे ही, और certain period of time it comes at its original position, so it is in periodic motion. If the speed is uniform, if the speed is uniform, अगर उसके आपके साइकिल की स्पीड अगर यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड है, the cycle chain shows in a periodic motion. Okay, then the handlebar shows random motion. The handlebar of the cycle shows random motion. So okay, so all the 3-4 types of motion shows when you ride a bicycle. पहले है linear motion, then circular motion, periodic motion and random motion when you ride a bicycle. Okay children, so see, then question number 6, complete the puzzle using a word. So puzzle is given, you have to solve this puzzle. First one is a spring is stretched and one end is released. A spring is stretched and one end is released, so that is oscillatory motion, oscillatory. Second, a minute hand moves in a circular motion. Then third, a seesaw, periodic motion. Then fourth is children in a march past, that is uniform linear motion. Then sixth is a stone rolling on a hillside, that is in a random motion. Okay, so this is about the question answers of this lesson. We complete exercise here. Now let's see, you have to learn again few more question answers from this lesson. So speed, about speed is equal to this formula, distance traveled upon time taken. It is the formula of speed. Maybe ask in exam, speed is the formula of speed. You know, always remember a moving object may not have only one type of motion. Okay, okay, means the motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion, that we learn in this lesson. Then few more diagrams. So maybe ask So here we finish our lesson number 9. So in our next video, we will continue with next lesson, force and types of force. Okay. So bye everyone.